Thank you for being here. This is the 9th episode in this informative 10-part series on fruits. In this video, our focus is on the creamy, nutrient-packed avocado. So when I was growing up in Jamaica, I knew avocado as pear. It would be sliced and placed on a plate like an afterthought, and I wasn't really into it, except when I was eating it with a bulla. Bullas are these brown, dense cakes that are kind of dry, but the avocado or pear would act as the butter to moisten the cake. I thought this was delicious, but I didn't know why. All I knew was the avocado was creamy and buttery, and it helped make the bulla taste like heaven. Fast forward to today, and I want to find out a lot more about this fruit. Where do they originate from? Are there different types? The culinary uses, specific health benefits, and is it possible to grow them at home? Let's find out. The avocado's journey traced back to the heartland of south-central Mexico, where ancient civilizations like the Olmecs and Aztecs cultivated this green fruit. Revered for its rich flavor and nutritional value, the avocado became a symbol of fertility and abundance in these cultures. As time unfolded, avocado traversed borders, finding their way to Central and South America. The fruit was eventually introduced to Europe in the 16th century. Avocados have extensive history in the Americas but has become a global sensation in recent decades. Mexico is by far the world's top producer of avocados, followed by Colombia and Peru closing out the third spot. Avocados are not just a singular fruit. There are a family of varieties, each with its distinct taste, texture, and culinary uses. Each variety adds its own nuance to the avocado palate. We will discuss 3 of the varieties here. First, we have Hass avocado. It has dark, rough, pebbly skin that changes from green to purplish black as it ripens. The flesh inside is creamy and pale green. This avocado reigns supreme as the most popular variety globally. The Hass avocados are known for their rich, nutty flavor and creamy texture. They have a higher oil content compared to some other avocado varieties, contributing to their smooth consistency. Next, we have the smooth and vibrant green Fuerte avocados. They are a hybrid between the Mexican and Guatemala avocados that are pear-shaped with smooth, bright green skin. Fuerte avocados have monounsaturated fat similar to the other varieties, such as oleic acid, which is thought to prevent breast cancer and prostate cancer according to a study published in the American Association for Cancer Research. The final variety we will discuss is the reed avocados. They are typically larger than Hass avocados and have a rounder shape. Reed avocados have a smooth green skin that remains green even when the fruit is ripe. They are known for their creamy and buttery texture. They have a slightly sweet flavor, making them a favorite among those who prefer avocados with a milder taste. Avocados have become a culinary icon, gracing plates around the world with their creamy goodness. Let's briefly discuss 3 culinary options. The avocado toast phenomenon. A global sensation merges the smooth texture of avocados with an array of toppings. From lettuce or cucumber to heirloom tomatoes, it's a testament to the fruit's ability to adapt to various culinary trends. Next, we have avocado oil, a subtle, mild flavor that complements various dishes without overpowering them. It is often described as having a buttery or nutty taste. One of the notable features of avocado oil is its high smoke point, typically around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 204 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for high-heat cooking methods such as frying, sautéing, and roasting. Finally, we have guacamole. A celebrated Mexican creation showcases the avocado's versatility. Mashed avocados combined with lime, cilantro, and a dash of spice create a vibrant dip that elevates snacks and meals alike. Guacamole is a Spanish word based on Aztec language, combining aguacate for avocado and mole for sauce. In Mexican Spanish, it is pronounced guacamole. To create this delicious dish, cut the avocados in half and remove the seed. Scoop out the avocado flesh into a bowl. Mash the avocados using a fork or a potato masher. You can leave it chunky or make it smoother depending on your preference. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime into the mashed avocados. Lime not only adds flavor, but it also helps prevent the avocados from browning. Mix 1 diced red onion, tomatoes, minced garlic, and chopped jalapeno if needed. Adjust the quantity of these ingredients based on your taste preferences. Season the guacamole with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the chopped fresh cilantro. Gently mix all ingredients until well combined. Be careful not to overmix, especially if you prefer chunkier guacamole. Guacamole is best served fresh. You can enjoy it as a dip with tortilla chips, as a topping for tacos and or burritos. Comment below and let me know if you like avocados, pears, or guacamole. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's switch gears and move into the nutritional value that avocado brings to the table. This nutrient-dense fruit offers an array of health benefits that make them a worthy addition to your daily diet. Avocados are 75% water, which contributes to its creamy and smooth texture. Let's start with heart health and cholesterol. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acid. It is classified as healthy or good fat, and it is one of the main components of the fats found in avocado. Oleic acid is also abundant in olive oil and certain nuts and seeds. The Journal of American Heart Association reveals that higher avocado intake is linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease. This underscores the potential of avocado as a heart-healthy dietary choice, highlighting their nutrient richness and association with cardiovascular well-being. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet. Diets rich in monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid, have been linked to cardiovascular health. They may help improve blood lipid profiles by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while maintaining or increasing levels of HDL cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein, considered good cholesterol. Oleic acid is known for its potential anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health issues, including cardiovascular disease and metabolic disorders. Consuming foods rich in oleic acid may contribute to reducing inflammation in the body. Oleic acid in avocados is involved in the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. Consuming foods high in oleic acid with meals can potentially enhance the absorption of these essential vitamins. It is important to note, however, that while oleic acid is a beneficial component of a healthy diet, overall dietary patterns and the balance of different types of fats are crucial for optimal health. Moderation and a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods are key principles for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's move on to fiber. A medium-sized avocado contains about 13 grams of fiber, which plays a crucial role in digestive health. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy weight, promoting regular bowel movements, and supporting a diverse gut microbiome. Avocados are particularly high in vitamin K, vital for bone health and blood clotting, and comes in with a whopping 18% of your daily recommended intake. Want healthy skin? Well, avocados are packed with vitamin E, with 20% of your daily value, and it is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. It plays a role in the function of immune cells and may contribute to the body's defense against infections. The combination of healthy fats and antioxidants may help nourish the skin from within. Remember earlier I mentioned that the Aztecs and Olmec thought of avocados as a symbol of fertility? Well, they were onto something. Let me explain. Avocados are a good source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including DNA synthesis, cell division, and the formation of red blood cells. Folate is especially important during periods of rapid cell division and growth, such as pregnancy and infancy. Adequate folate intake is essential for preventing neural tube defects in developing fetuses. One medium avocado, approximately 200 grams, has 30% of your daily recommended intake of folate. So, you may have thought bananas led when it comes to potassium. Think again. You can get 20% of your daily intake of potassium in one medium-sized avocado, which is more than double the amount you get from one banana, about 9%. Potassium contributes to maintaining proper blood pressure and is associated with the reduced risk of stroke and cardiovascular diseases, according to the National Library of Medicine. What about weight management? The healthy fats and fiber in avocados contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may aid in weight management. Including avocados in your diet can help curb cravings and support overall fullness. Avocados have a low glycemic index ranging from 15 to 30, making them an excellent choice for those concerned about blood sugar levels. This slow-release energy source can contribute to better blood sugar control. Okay, I can go on and on with the beneficial nutrients avocado provides. However, we can leave some for another time. See some of the additional nutrients in one medium avocado. Note the 3% content of protein, as protein comes in many fruits along with other nutrients. Incorporating avocados in your meal not only enhances flavor but also delivers a powerful nutritional punch. Consider these values as part of your daily intake to harness the full spectrum of health benefits. So apparently, growing up in Jamaica with pear or avocado on your plate is a good way to get your nutrients after all. Our final segment is on the possibility of growing avocados at home. Choosing the right avocado variety is crucial for successful home cultivation. Varieties like Hass and Reed are well suited for home environments. Consult with local nurseries or agricultural experts to select a variety that aligns with your region's temperature and humidity levels. Soil quality is paramount for healthy avocado trees. Well-draining soil enriched with organic matter provides the ideal foundation. Avocado trees are sensitive to waterlogging, so ensuring proper drainage is key. Planting an avocado tree from seed is an option, but it's a patient gardener's endeavor. For a quicker start, consider purchasing a grafted avocado tree from a reputable nursery. If space is limited, avocado can be grown in containers. Choose a large container with drainage holes. Use well-draining potting mix and regular monitor for soil moisture. Container-grown avocados can be moved indoor during adverse weather conditions. Avocado trees, whether grown in the ground or containers, benefit from regular pruning to maintain shape and encourage robust growth. Adequate sunlight and protection from frost are essential for a thriving avocado orchard in your backyard. Most avocado varieties are self-pollinating, but planting more than one tree can enhance food production through cross-pollination. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role in the avocado pollination process. Avocado thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. They are sensitive to frost. It is crucial to plant them in areas where temperatures rarely drop below freezing. Witnessing the transformation from blossom to harvest becomes a rewarding journey that connects you to the origins of the fruit on your plate. Home cultivation not only provides a source of fresh avocados, but also instills a deeper appreciation for the complexities of nature. And there you have it. From their ancient origins to your own backyard. I hope this extended exploration has deepened your appreciation for this delicious creamy fruit. Click the link above and check out our other videos in this series. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe for more, and share your avocado stories in the comments below. Until next time.